the game. Well, it's like kind of. I'm recording the video of me struggling with this taco truck right now. I had tea what? Well, don't mind the water bottle, okay? Alright, front look at my car. Front look at the car. Okay, and then now, alright, pause.